Welcome to the channel. Mic issues again. Ugh. If only I could drop my mic. At least then I would know it was off. So, welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at Slime Rancher. And I have to admit, there's a lot of cuteness going on here. Maybe too much. I guess we'll see. Let's get our cute suits on, just in case. Be glad that we're doing a shorter video and see what the story has for us today. Oh dear, the cuteness continues. Game name. Haven. And how many is there? Oh my. There's a lot. Fruit? Okay. Oh dear. Oh. Well, I know somebody who's gonna like all of those. Okay, we'll go with the happy face, because, oh my goodness, it just keeps going. Let me see here. Hello. I'm not sure I need to log into the game. Just the title screen itself is enough entertainment. I don't know if I'm going to be able to talk through this one. I may be laughing through the whole thing. Oh no, I do not know if I am prepared for this game. Oh, this is crazy. Okay, life. Focus, Laura. Focus. Live the life of a slime rancher and explore the wonders of the far, far range at your own pace. Awesome. Relaxed take on adventure mode without any threat of tar slimes. I guess we'll go with adventure? We'll see what happens. Oh my goodness, this is so funny. We are loading. 1,000 light years away from Earth, on a planet known as the Far, Far Range, Beatrix LeBeau begins her first day as a slime rancher. That name is awesome! Alright. Hello. Oh, okay, let's switch it. Let's get moving. Will do. Oh, first, I need to give... Oh, well, that's not exactly what I wanted to do, but we'll do it. Wanted to give a shout out to Amanda Souza for her follow. Oh my, it's gonna be one of those mornings. Thank you, Amanda Souza, for your follow. It is greatly appreciated, and we love having you here, and we look forward to seeing you again in a future stream. All right. Now, with that said, let's get moving. Move left, move forward, move backward. Hey, we get a check mark. Yay. Hop to it. Jump. Shift. It didn't seem like it was much faster, but we are moving pretty fast. How to vac like a rancher. Your vac pack can vac things up and store them in a vac tank. Oh, there's so many jokes waiting for this game. It's amazing. Hello, Mr. Pink Slime. Miss Pink Slime? Oh! You didn't look very happy about that. Ooh, there's another one. You've vacked a slime. Yes, I have. Slimes are key to your success. Shoot slimes through a corral barrier into the corral on the ranch. Select vac tank, which I'm assuming is on this gun here, and shoot. Oh my goodness, this game's amazing. Collect that star? No? Alright. Now what? Is that all we do? Do I grab more? Okay, he seemed a little happier. I saw something that said diet. Ooh, hello. A pink plort. Okay. You acquired a slime plort. Wow, there's going to be a lot of tongue twisters in this game. When slimes eat, they make plorts. head on over to the plort market to cash in your plort. I only have one. What is this? Press E to activate. So I'm assuming that opens up an area. These look like these are new corrals. Are you the market? Range, exchange, offline. Oh no! I'm already... Okay, Big Star. Gotcha. Big Star is over here. Is this my house? Can I go inside? Oh. I have Star Mail. Ms. LeBeau, the 7Z Corporation would like to welcome you to the Far Far Range. Welcome. And extend our support in your bold new venture as a slime rancher. Support extended. We would also like to request that you exercise caution in your first few days on the ranch until you get more familiar with your surroundings. Traveling at night is not advisable. Lastly, should you require any additional tools for your backpack or items to make your slime ranching experience easier, the 7Z Corporation would be pleased to provide them to you from the shop located just outside your ranch house. Ah, we're headed there. The 7Z Corporation, providing the tools you need to get the job done for us for a small fee. Insert little tune here for the commercial. The 7Z Corporation. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba. Alright. To the market. I've only got one. Really? Is that all I need? Okay. The plort market gives you new bucks for your hard-earned plorts. Shoot a plort into the plort market and earn some cash. I don't know why I find this so funny. Uh-oh. Did I miss? That looked like it bounced off. Okay, no, it says I did well. But I don't have enough. Okay. And I got a poor guy in the tank. Let's go give him the space he needs here. There you go. Oh. Okay. Oh, they make a mess. They make a big old mess. They make a big old mess. Okay. Star Mail, which was in the house, which is where we just came from. Oi. Alright. Rise and shine. We have risen. I don't know if we're shining just yet, but we're working on it. Casey. Hi, B. What's it like to sleep for a whole year? Did you dream? I can't imagine what that's like. 7Z puts you in a pod and then lights out for all that time. Wow. What's the far, far range like? Have you started exploring? Is the air as clear as they say? I bet it's really beautiful. I'm probably asking too many questions. No such thing. I bet you have a lot of work to do on that ranch. I still can't believe it's yours now. I guess I better leave you to it and just keep it short. Good luck, B. If anyone can make it out there, it's you, Casey. Alright. Some words of encouragement, which is awesome. So, let me see. What is this? Oh, a hen. Food type, meat. Well, oh, they eat the hens. The hearty chicken bred to be twice as tasty as its cousin on Earth. Ah, tasty food acquired. Food like fruits, veggies, or chickens are used to feed slimes. Try shooting food at a pink slime. No, eat anything. He's already got his mouth open. Me, he says. Okay, let's shoot this guy. Oh, and they get bigger, and they have a port. So do I run in? That about covers the basics. Wow, that was a short tutorial. You learned the fundamentals, now it's time to get out there and explore. Oh, no hand-holding here. Gotcha. Remember, the best way to become a pro rancher is to experiment. Challenge accepted. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Okay, do I just run in and grab it? No, I do not. How do I get... I was gonna say, how do I get the... Sorry, dude. Get the plort without getting the slime. Whoa, he said. Oh, dear. Alright. Oh, and maybe some issues with my manual alerts today. And quite distracted. Alright, so what have we got here? Whee! They are just too cute. Okay, so... yeah. I don't even know what to do. It's very rare. Press E to activate. Okay, there we go. Ah, okay. So I have to turn that in, I think. Garden, a coop, a silo. Can't take it with you when you go, so put it in storage. An incinerator. Oh dear. The pond. What are you going to do with this? Oh no. This game's too clever for its own good. Wow, there's a lot of these around here. Okay. So I couldn't go out. Do I have a map? Oh my goodness. That would be a big old map. Look at my happy little face there. Maybe head towards the pink. So west, which I don't know where that is, but I have an arrow. So we are going to try and go this way. Oh! Is that the way we couldn't go? Oh, I have to purchase it. Okay. No, not right now. That's a little out of our price range. What about this way? Hello. The dry reef. We have updated our Slimepedia. Coral-crusted ocean floor that now basks under a golden sun and is holy moly full of pink slime. What is this? Hello, Beatrix. The name's Hobson Twilgers, rancher, explorer, and the former owner of this here ranch you now call your own. I can imagine him having a twang to his voice. Pleased to make your acquaintance. I was a rancher for more years than I can remember, and felt there was one last adventure left in me, so I've set off to find just that. But before I go, I'm taking one last tour around this here land I love. So keep your peepers peeled for notes like these. You want to hear what an old coot has to say every now and again. Be talking to you, H. Oh yeah, he's definitely got that twang. Whoa! Well, now I have carrots. I'm gonna have a balanced diet, if nothing else. Next to a backpack, it's a rancher's best friend. See some fruits. Okay, so maybe the pink shows me. Uh-oh, you guys gonna get me? No! No, don't get me. He was just happy and content. Almost full. Pogo fruit. I thought that said pog fruit there for a second. Hello? Oh. Fruit here. Hello, guys. Did I grab hold of you by mistake? Okay. I'm guessing our limit is 20. Did I get him? Nope, he got away. I'm wondering if our efficiency is less as we... What's this? Aw, it's a little chick. Well, little baby chicks. What was that? What is that? That is like adorable. I'm sorry for the... Oh, he left. And then that one in the background looks like it might hurt. Alright, so we need to be careful. And I have no idea how to defend myself. Looks like a box. What's in the box? Don't know. Okay. Mental note. That is there. Come back and check it. Because I'm full. I should have deposited the plort before I left. Lessons were learned. Alrighty, so more slime. What is that? Okay. I'm assuming these guys all need to be fed. That's a lot of plort. Oh, sorry guys, I'm out. Okay, that is a black chicken. I thought for a minute there it was an enemy. I think I'm gonna need a chicken coop. A roostro struts his stuff like he's king of the coop. Oh, there we go. Alright. How do I get the plort without getting the slime, I wonder? I'm sure there's a... Okay, this is not working. Let's go through. I cannot. You guys gonna eat me? I got one by mistake. Alright. I know, guys. I'm not sure how to get the plort without grabbing you guys again. I haven't figured that part out just yet. Oh, one of you didn't eat your veggies. I'm so disappointed. Okay, let's go deposit these. This is going to take some finesse. I wonder if we're going to need some sort of a... Wait, is that 12 apiece? Oh my. I like the exchange rate. Okay, here we go. They're just... Oh! Wrong one. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, guys. Oh my goodness. My buttons. Misclicks. So bad. Alright. Now, switch. Switch. There we go. This is definitely a game to play if you need to cheer yourself up. This is just crazy. Crazy cute and uplifting. Alright. Ooh, 336. I'd be rich. I'd be rich. Alright, resume. Oh yeah, the box. Let's go check out the box. Now the question... Oh yeah, I'm not supposed to go out at night, am I? Was there... Let me double check. Not too concerned about being out at night, but I wonder if there's a bed or something in the house where you're supposed to sleep. Sleep until morning. Bingo. Aww. Got a little slime plushie on my bed. Oh, hello. Just got carrots lying around. Now, how does the garden work? Mary, Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? Or do I just... I built a garden. Shoot a fruit or veggie into the dispositor to begin growing. Ah! And do I just need one? I think I just needed one. Hey, you live and you learn. Now, let's go check out this box. So is this the same message? Yep, same message. Alright. Oh, I saw a box. Did the box disappear? Where'd the box go? I was pretty sure it was there. Okay. Not sure I need... You're a big one. Can I get you? Oh! Oh my, Largo. Largo slimes are large slime hybrids formed when a slime eats a plort unlike its own. Back to keep them on your nozzle, blah, 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 or shoot them to send flying. So are these my weapons? Alright, I'm assuming you guys would hurt if you hit me, so careful. Oh my, there's all kinds of plort over here. Oh, there's just slime in the place. Gotcha. Thought I saw some fruit on here. I didn't. I was too slow. Alright. Oh, there's a lot of them that have evolved. Just hoping for some fruit. Yeah, I think they've eaten it all. What's up with the confetti? You guys having a party? What are you? Oh, I was too late. Okay. A tabby Largo. Okay, those don't seem to hurt. The nest. I'm assuming there was some hen or a rostro here or something, but no more. Uh-oh, I'm full. No. Oh, my plort. Can't go home plortless. Oh, even if you change, it will not let you pick it up. Alright. Well, now we know. So do you hurt? Oh, yep, they hurt. I think I went the wrong way. Uh-oh. Am I going around in circles? I wanted to get one of these cute ones, but I'm not sure I can. Hurry! Gotcha! Oh my gosh, that is adorable. No, my tabbies. No, I don't want you. I want you. There we go. I choose you, tabby slime. Okay. Oh, dodge. Whoa. Okay, I think I zigged when I should have zagged. Yes, there we go. I was hoping to find some fruit. Does not respond yet. Ah, there's no place like home. Okay, let's not want to lose the tabbies. Uh-oh. Apparently, they're getting loose or something. I'm not sure what's going on. Whoop, wrong one. I had it on the right one. Are they not ready? It's growing. Alright. They are not ready. Gotcha. Gotcha. Only got 7 for those. Interesting. So I get more for the homegrown plort than I do for the wild plort? Alright. No, I'd like one that's just tabbies. Oh, sorry. Well, there went my chickens. I thought it was going to be convenient to put the chickens, or the hens, next to the slimes. It was, just not convenient for me, because now I have to find one. Well, alright. We learn more by trial and error, I think, in this game than we do anything else. Alright. Huh. Wonder why those first were so convenient. Okay, so does this mean that they're gonna go after the... I want another corral, please. So does this mean... Oh, they just like meat. Well, that makes sense. Unfortunately, your cousins here ate your food. Well, this isn't working. The corral is not corralling very well. Oh, they're hungry. Are you guys done yet? Hurry up, you're hungry. Thank you. Oh, little guys are hungry. Oh! Oh! Okay. I know you guys are hungry. I know. Hang on. Alright. There. I'm trying. There, better? Okay. Let's try and save the guys that are stuck in here. Who's still hungry? I can't. There we go. We got him. There we go. Oh, we got an achievement. Oh, you see it. Awesome. All right. Any other hungry fellows I missed? I can't feed you guys. You take meat. Are you happy or are you hungry? Oh, you missed your carrot. Go get it. There you go. Oh, there. Have one. Oh, they're all going after him. There. You need one? Oh my goodness. Okay, let me make sure that I get... Oh, it's growing again? He's just... I'm just gonna wait here. Okay. Oh my. Oh my, the organized chaos. No, it's not even organized, it's just chaos. This is just chaos. Don't you giggle about it. Don't you giggle about it. We've got them. They're just everywhere. Everywhere. I can't even get the plort out. Uh-oh. Well, I was wondering how long it would take for them to merge. Oh my goodness, how are you supposed to do this? This is so funny. Okay, there you go. Have a carrot. Nope, more plort. I'm just gonna end up getting it all, but... Alright. I'm glad you're enjoying. Oh, you're big. I got booped. Oh, you cannot make this up. This game is amazing. Alright. Ooh, what's a silver one? Excuse me, did you eat my silver plort? But I wanted the silver plort! Uh-oh, did I lose all my tabbies? No, my tabbies are in here. Oh no, my poor tabbies they're hungry. Let's see if we can go find them some hens. I'm not sure if we're gonna find any hens. They seem to be hen-less around here. Oh, fruit. I wanted some fruit. Oh my. I don't know. Are they ready yet? I don't think they're ready yet. They are not ready yet. Hen? Are there any hens? What is that? No, I didn't get it. Ouch. I got pooped again. Oh man, I think I ate all the hens. My poor little tabbies are gonna go hungry. Should have left them out in the wild. That's the note. Okay, is there any help screen there maybe? Whoop, beep boop, beep boop bop. Alright. I can't. We're gonna have a bunch of pink cats going around. Yeah, I know guys. Here, I'm gonna do this since I can't figure out how to feed you. There, be free. Go feed yourself. Let's see here. I didn't know you guys could get out and then get into the coop and eat the chickens. Alright. What is all this stuff? I don't know what this is. Up and down. Blue money. What are you? The plot market. The plort market. Oh, look at that happy face. The plort market is a network of buyers and sellers of plort across the galaxy. Ranchers use plort market machines on their ranch to send plorts to the market for sale. Ranchers are paid immediately when depositing plorts at the plort's current market value. Okay, that's why the amount changed. Plort market values fluctuate, and some of the more savvy ranchers will hoard certain plorts for days when sale prices are high. Ugh. Especially rare plorts. Yeah, I know, I saw the silver one and I didn't grab it in time. Ooh, what's over here? Ooh, that's kind of spooky. Wow, what a view. Alrighty. Let me see here. So the sun's going down. What is this? Phone call. Help me out here and I'll make sure you get what's owed. What are you wanting? Oh. For chickens. How did you get stuck in there? Yeah, I know you guys are all hungry. The carrot's done. That doesn't do any good. As it's growing. Definitely need more than one of those because it's slow. At least according to the slimes. Okay, let's go see if we can find some chickens. Uh-oh, it's getting dark. Did you guys eat the fruit? Why can't I get the fruit? I don't know. Huh. More hens. I think they eat faster than I can grab them. Oh, hello. What are you? A rock slime. These slimes are totally metal. They eat veggies. Alright. That's good to know. It's dark. Oh my gosh, look at the size of that moon. Fruit. Yoink. Come here, you. Thank you. I'm gonna dodge everything here. Don't get booped again. See, it's not good to be out here when it's dark. I'm not sure it's good to be home either. My ranch is overrun. Okay. Well, so far this isn't working well. I don't have enough money to make another one. Let's see. Oop. Oh, well, that bounced off. Interesting. I put you guys outside so you could eat. So you could get something to eat. Apparently, oh, that's not. That is not how that works. Alright. In you go, sir. Not sure that the rate is going to be high enough. Oh, it's starting to get in my house. No, I'm not going to have enough to build another fruit one. Well, this is not going terrifically well, but I have learned a lot, at least. Oh, I have mail. Welcome to the Range Exchange, Thora West. Hi there, Beatrix. The name's Thora West. I'll keep my introduction short on account that we all got work to do. I'm a longtime rancher here on the Far Far Range and head of the welcome wagon for your local range exchange. I wonder if that's the lady I spoke to on the phone machine over there. Range Exchange is a network of ranchers just like yourself who are looking to trade what they got for what they need. Slimes, plorts, food, whatever. All you need to do is check out the Range Exchange machine daily, okay, not a phone, and be sure to get your trade completed within 24 hours. As more ranchers get added to your network, you should receive a hearty hello from them, so check your inbox. Well, enough John. We've got some slimes to wrangle. Adios, Beatrix Thora. Yeah, that was definitely her. Okay. You're gonna sleep. And... there you go. You guys can have the last fruit, because this is where I'm going to put the bookmark for this video today. I've got about 35 minutes in, so I'm trying to keep these videos a little shorter, so there's not as much time that you need to invest to watch them in case you've got a busy week. Let me put the social link up here for my YouTube channel. I will be posting this video on there shortly, and then of course you can check out any of my other videos to catch up or just to chill out, whichever works for you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. I know we've all got a busy week this week, and I appreciate you taking the time to spend it here with me. Please remember, you are loved, appreciated, valued, and you are not alone. Feel free to come here and hang out anytime you need to. Until then, new adventures wait in the next video. I'll see you there. Take care.